Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla air filter. First, open your car's hood and locate the air filter housing, usually a black plastic box near the engine. You'll see several metal clips or screws holding the cover in place. Gently unfasten these to prepare for removal. This simple task can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Once the hood is open, identify the air filter box, typically on the driver's side of the engine bay. Most Toyota Corolla models use 2 or 3 clips to secure the airbox cover. Simply pull these clips back or unfasten them. Then, carefully lift the cover to expose the filter. Take out the old filter, paying attention to how it sits in the housing. Before installing, ensure your new air filter is the correct replacement for your Corolla. Many filters have a specific orientation, often indicated by a squared-off corner or an up arrow, so match it to how the old one was positioned. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and the edges are not pinched. With the new filter in place, align the airbox cover and reattach all the clips or screws firmly. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed. Replacing your engine air filter regularly offers several benefits, including improved fuel efficiency, better engine performance, and reduced emissions. This simple maintenance step helps prolong your engine's life and ensures your car runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.